It's Titan. It's okay, boy. Titan. 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 All right, boy. Hi, guys. This is a mighty Titan. So I took Titan with me to get my oil change done, and the guy that came to speak to me, he's actually over there. Titan does not like the guy apparently, so he's barking at the guy. It's okay, boy. It's okay. I don't know if it's like a certain energy that he picks up. He only barks at certain people. So I do not know, and I'm telling him that it's okay, but he will not stop. Okay. All right, boy. It's okay. It's okay, boy. All right. He's all the way over there. So the guy is where is he? One of them, he's over on the other side. I'll show you guys. So apparently Titan, it's okay, boy. It's okay. Titan does not it's okay. Maybe because he didn't say hello to Titan, I don't know, but Titan just started to bark at him. He's wearing a hat, so I told him maybe it's the hat, but he's saying no, it's weird if it's the hat. So I don't know, maybe it's his energy. I don't know. You guys comment and let me know, why would Titan, there are other people here and he's not barking at them. It's just the one guy, which is weird. Okay, boy. All right. And even when I told him it's okay and for him to calm down, he's not calming down. Titan, it's okay, boy. It's okay. So the guy is right there. He's coming back. I guess he's doing something now. But I don't know. Titan, he's not even over here anymore. Okay, boy. Okay, Titan is a good boy. Titan is a good boy. Are you a good boy? It's okay. What? All right, boy. So I had to strap him in with the seatbelt because he still sometimes does not like to drive in the car. So that's why he's wearing the seatbelt. Yeah, the guy is over there. Okay, boy. Good boy. Good boy. So the guy is right there. That's the one who he's barking at. I don't know. Seems like he's calmed down now. Calm now, boy. Titan is a good boy. I love you, my boy. It's okay. So guys, I just thought I would share this with you guys. The mighty Titan and I, we are out getting an oil change, and Titan just went off just now. He was here chilling, just sitting and waiting for our turn. But as soon as that guy came over and started talking, he just started barking. So I don't know. The guy is actually right there. I don't know if you guys can see him, but yeah, he's wearing that hat. And